Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Windows tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can clean your disk space on your PC, your Windows PC, any Windows PC you are using. It's very simple and easy. I'm going to show you 3 different things to do to clean your disk space on your PC. So the first one is we are going to run a disk cleanup. So the first one, we just hop on here, we search disk, so we get that, and then we can choose the hard disk we want to clean. So this PC takes 2 different hard disks. So I have a hard disk and then an SSD. So I'm going to choose the C, and then you tap on OK. So good. So you can see there's the disk cleanup. So here Windows have automatically selected some files that they think I should delete from this PC. So all you need to do is just tap on the OK, and then I delete them. Cleaning up drive C. And yes, I'm done with the first procedure. Very simple. Now let's move to the second procedure. The second procedure is we'll be uninstalling programs we don't use on the PC. So all we need to do is we just need to search add and remove programs. And then here we are on this page. So on this page you are going to see all the programs on this PC. So here you just have to uninstall ones you don't use because they are taking up space, and then they are going to let your PC run very much slow. So I think I have a video on this. So to uninstall something is very simple. I don't have anything here I want to uninstall. Let me glance through and see. Let me glance through. I don't have anything here I want to uninstall. Let me come here. I don't like Skype. So yeah, you just tap on the app you want to uninstall and you're going to see this. Uninstall. You're good to go. And now I've removed Skype. You can see Skype has been removed. So let me search this. Good. You are not going to see Skype. So when I tap on this, they're going to take me to Edge for me to download it. So I've removed it. So there's the second option, uninstalling programs you don't need on your PC. And the third one is by deleting your temporary files. So with this, we are going to run the command prompt and then we do this. So to do that, you just need to tap on the Windows and the R at the same time, and you can see here this is the command percentage and temporary, which is TMP, and then percentage once again. So percentage is Ctrl+5, and then you enter your TMP and then Ctrl+5 once again. Now let's tap on the OK. So these are temporary files on my PC. What I need to do is Ctrl+A to select all of them, and then here I delete. So I don't want to delete them, so let me cancel them. Yeah, so that's it on how you can clean up your disk space on your PC for your PC to run very much smooth and faster, and also going to prevent you from security issues on your PC. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it. Peace.